Month-end hits, invoices pile up, you're chasing PMs for approvals and subcontractors for missing compliance documents? CrewCost eliminates the chaos and automates everything in one place. Just drag and drop. CrewCost reads each bill and keeps everything in one place. No shared folders, no email chains. Route bills through multi-step approvals, automatically assigning the right project manager based on the job. Everyone can collaborate, add comments, and flag missing compliance all in one place. Every approval shows the remaining budget, right alongside the expense, so you can flag overages and make smarter decisions in real time. CrewCost doesn't just move faster, it moves smarter. Invoices are reviewed, not rushed. Your team follows a clear process. And you can take on more work without adding stress or risk. See how you can automate your accounts payable process. Schedule a demo today.